Hello internet family, Dan here from DansTube.TV, and today I'm going to review the Mavic 2 Pro in 90 seconds. Now the first thing is that it has OcuSync 2.0, which ensures that you get 8 kilometers of range with a 1080p live video. The flight time is also very significant, with 31 minutes is what they're quoting. You probably only get about 28 minutes, but still a really solid flight time. The most important thing about the Mavic 2 Pro is the beautiful 1-inch Hasselblad sensor. This is a phenomenal camera with beautiful color science. The colors really do pop, and it does have adjustable aperture, allowing more control for the user. Now it does also offer the 10-bit D-Log-M and 10-bit HDR, but I did notice that it was very hard to edit. You have to have an extremely beefy computer to handle the 10-bit files, but overall just 4K 30 with just 8-bit was fantastic and beautiful to edit, and the image looks fantastic. So I was really impressed with the overall image quality and the performance from the camera in both photo and video modes. The Mavic 2 Pro also offers omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which is remarkable, with A-Pass enabled as well. You also have Active Track 2.0, which is a bump up from the original, allowing for trajectory prediction and high-speed tracking, although I did find it had a few issues with shadows. The hyperlapse mode is extremely impressive as well, allowing you to have full control and also set up waypoints to create amazing hyperlapses. That's the end of the video, so if you did enjoy, make sure to subscribe and have a fantastic day.